Hi, Mr. Wellman. This is Jonas. I'm reporting on extra credit assignment number 3, which says determine the acceleration of gravity using simple pendulum. So here's my Excel graph. I have it for the length in meters of 0.75, 1 meter, 1.25, and then 1.5. So you told us to show our calculations in our work of how we to determine G and how we calculated the error. So what I did was, first I made the Excel plot, the graph. From that, the best fit slope of the line was 4.12711. And I'm going to need this to find the acceleration due to gravity. So I'll be plugging that in. So to get the measured value of acceleration due to gravity, G equals 4 pi squared over m. M, we get that number from the best fit line, which is a slope of 4.127 about. When I calculate this out, I get about 9.57 meters per second squared. And then this here is just finding G from period T and length of pendulum. So then in order to find the error in G, what we have is delta G over G equals the change in length over length plus 2 delta T over T. And what that gives us is 0.001 over 1 plus 0.2 over 39.9. When we calculate this out, we get 0.6%, which I would say is a pretty good error percentage. As long as it's under 5, I would say it's a pretty good number. And yeah, that's about it for this extra credit assignment.